Alrighty, today is stepwell day. Well, for 302. And little update on it. It is not very pretty. But, we have a good plan for it. And, it'll work. But, yeah, it's not pretty. But it'll work. We're gonna cut, or no, we're just gonna, somewhat do over here. Like, build over up here where it's actually solid. And then cut this out down here. And, cut up here. Probably where it's solid. And then cut like here. Yeah, for all new metal. So it's definitely cheaper than a new stepwell, because stepwell even used are like $1,000. So I can only imagine what a new one costs, especially for an 07. So those are the doors right there. Those things are heavy. But yeah, just rip the middle step tread out and looking for any rot holes. And surprisingly, the middle step is actually really well, so we're not touching it. But the top step, we're gonna patch a couple. We're gonna patch a couple holes, which here, and one starting. But other than that, it's nothing like the bottom step. I don't know why it rotted out over here really bad, but not over here. So it's something that blows my mind. But this is the update on 302, so let's hope it. But yeah, look at this. It's just like, it's still solid under there. It's just, but the floor. Let's see. The floor on here is rotted because it's coming up off the floor. So I gotta get some sheet metal screws and screw the wood back down after everything's out. Got rid of that piece that was here. The kick guard or shield, whatever the heck it is, has been out for a while, so I didn't have to worry about that. The handrail is over there. And this is the middle step. It's definitely been redone. This is definitely aftermarket. Or, I mean, not, it's been replaced, I should say. Because there's a sticker on it. And none of them do have a sticker on it. So, middle step was definitely replaced. The tread at least. And yeah. This is what happens when it's not supported. Hi, Mr. This is gonna be too funny. Hi, Mr. Bus Driver. How you doing? Okay, I'll get on the bus. Jeepers. Actually, this one corner here is actually really solid. So you use that one little corner there, and then use that to step up. What did I just do? This is great. Anyway. So it's got to get broken off anyway. But there's a piece of wood under it. There we go. As long as you don't step over here. I'll make sure that doesn't happen. There we go. Now it's like Bluebird. you have a small step on the bottom. The rest of them are pretty big. So there we go. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's the door mechanism. And it's all taken apart. Wonder how it would be to use the doors. I forgot there's no air. That'd be hilarious. There's air in the system though. Anyway, that's the update on 302. There's really not much to say. Except now it has a bluebird step. Oh, you know what? Let's just really make it one. There we go. Rust flying everywhere. Look at that. Now we just need to block off. We need to raise this up and make it a bluebird. Or wait, is that the top step? Yeah, it is the top step on the bluebirds. Oh. Well, looks like we gotta do that to the top step now. But, yeah. How many times did I say step in this video? A lot. There's 302's new crossing gates. Oh, that one's already out. What the heck? That's behind here. Oh man. It is not the best. That's what I get for sitting for a year. But yeah, more updates to show soon. But that's what it is.